Hello, David here, and the project for today is teaching my grandson Freddie how to call crows. Where I'm from, crows used to destroy crops, so they used to be hunted pretty frequently. Around here where I live, crows are used for eating up McDonald's French fries, so they are protected. But anyway, I thought Freddie ought to know how to call crows. Crows are extremely brilliant birds. They actually have a language, and they have calls for food, danger, predators, and crows can actually count to 5. My father used to tell me a story when he was in the war. They used to practice for gunnery practice in England, and they used to take shotguns out to farmers' fields, and he said they walked into a little outbuilding, and the farmer told them they were doing it all wrong. They had to go into the outbuilding with 6 people and have 5 people leave and leave 1 person behind to shoot at the crows. And he said the reason for that is crows can only count to 5. Who knew that? I don't know if that's true or not, but let's see what Freddie can do. Alright, now you're not supposed to try to crow calls to music. Don't do a rhythm like that. That might break it. You got their interest.
Come, 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 me.
3 short blasts mean trouble.
3 short?
Yeah, do 3 short ones.
They're not troubling.
Try it again.
Like how do you know the language?
Hey, you just gotta know crows.
Not working. It's not working.
I think they might be running from the danger. See, they're leaving.
Which danger?
Your danger. You gave 3 blasts. Three calls in succession are supposed to be a danger call, which tells crows to leave. I want to thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that bell for more great videos from David GPO.
Gun owners of America. Gun owners of America.
Gun owners of America.
Gun owners of America. Gun owners of America.
If you're sitting at home and you contribute to the Gun Owners of America, stop giving.
The only no compromise gun group in Washington.
They're tougher than the NRA, aren't they?
That's right.
The NRA is bad, really bad. Gun Owners of America is even worse than bad.
We do not support gun control. We do not support gun control fully loaded. We do not support gun control light. We have opposed every gun control at the federal level.
After days of silence following the Las Vegas attack, the NRA announced it was backing new regulations on bump stocks.
Interestingly enough, while the NRA is saying maybe we should regulate, restrict these bump stocks, Eric Pratt says no.